Hi, this is Martin on a Quick Mortgage Minute. Thank you for spending a couple seconds with me here today. Happy New Year to you. I'm glad that we're here in 2025. And again, if you have any questions, you can reach me directly at my cell phone, which is area code 714-616-2809. So this January 2025, this new year, we've obviously had a lot of changes. One, a new president. Two is here in California, we have been inundated with many different fires, some that have been devastating to a lot of people here in the Southern California area. And it leads me to talk to you a little bit about your home insurance, right? Because you really don't know how much or what you need for home insurance until something like this catastrophic event happens. And right now I get a lot of calls from people telling me that their mortgage company sent them something that their home insurance is either no good anymore, they need to get a different policy holder, they need to look for a different insurance company, or it's been expired. So this is very common. I do want to tell you, I've talked to some insurance experts that we work with, and they are telling me that, rest assured there are some companies that are not insuring, but there are new companies coming in that are insuring homes, right? Along with backing from California Fair Plan. But that doesn't negate the fact that we will all be paying higher premiums, again, due to fires, thefts, etc. So expect that you will be paying probably a higher insurance premium here in the next couple months, just due to all the events here in Southern California. But if you have questions regarding your home insurance, need some clarification, again, I'm not an insurance agent, but I can direct you and get you into the right people that may be able to answer some of those questions for you. Okay, so I thank you. Happy New Year. I'm here to help you. Have a great day. Take care.